Good day guys, and welcome to today's tutorial on mobile Android tricks and tips. I am Mr. Omar, your favorite online shortcuts man. Today I got some messages from my fans online asking how am I going to block my bank account if my phone, which I use to register my account number, is being stolen or is being misplaced, and I'm seeing a lot and I'm receiving messages, but I don't know. So how do I now block my bank account without going to the bank, especially during weekends? Yes, during weekends and festive period, banks do not work. They don't come. Most of their online services normally have issues, so you can actually use shortcodes. Now I'm going to give you some shortcode that you can actually use through another line, not necessarily the line that you use in registering your account. You can access the services using somebody's phone, either a friend's phone, a brother's phone, a sister's phone, or even your parents' phone. You can use them to access the services and assist yourself before you get bankrupt. Now I'm going to give you this code. For Access Bank, you can access this code on Access Bank to deactivate your account when your phone is stolen. Type *901 *911 hash. I repeat, *901 *911 hash is the code for you to dial on Access Bank to restrict your account from being accessed by theft using another phone. Yes. Then we go straight to Zenith Bank. Next online is Zenith Bank. Zenith Bank code is *966 *911 hash. I repeat, *966 *911 hash is the code for you to use on another person's phone to access your bank account to deactivate it when being attacked by theft. Now we'll go straight to GTB Bank. Next online, GTB, Guaranty Trust Bank. Guaranty Trust Bank code is *737 *74 hash. I repeat, *737 *74 hash is the code for you to use on Guaranty Trust Bank for you to block your account using another phone when being attacked by theft. Next online is Wema Bank. Wema Bank code is *945 *911 hash. I repeat, *945 *911 hash is the code for you to use on Wema Bank to deactivate your account using a friend's phone. Now we go straight to First Bank. Next online is First Bank. First Bank code is *894 *911 hash. I repeat, *894 *911 hash is the code for you to use on First Bank in order to deactivate your account using another phone. Remember, all these codes are being listed on your screen. You can see them on your screen. Still, I would like to remind you not to forget to click on the subscribe button to subscribe to my channel, to follow my channel also on Facebook in order to get more updates. Next online on banks is UBA Bank. UBA Bank code is *919 *911 hash. I repeat, *919 *911 hash is the code for you to use to deactivate your account using a friend's line. Next is Keystone. Keystone code is *7111 *911 hash. I repeat, *7111 hash *911 hash. Yes, that is the code for Keystone Bank. Now next online is FCMB. FCMB code is *329 *911 hash. I repeat, *329 *911 hash is there on your screen. Next online is Sterling Bank. Sterling Bank code is *822*911 hash. *822*911 hash is the code is there on your screen. Next online is Unity Bank. Unity Bank code is *7799*911 hash. I repeat, *7799*911 hash is the code you have to use on Unity Bank to restrict your account from being accessed using another line. Now Fidelity Bank. Fidelity Bank code is *770*911 hash. I repeat, *770*911 hash is the code you have to use to deactivate. If you notice there's something common about this code, you have a *911 hash attached to each of the codes, which is the normal banking code. It is used to access through another person's phone to access your account. Next online is Heritage Bank. Heritage Bank code is *745*7 hash. I repeat, *745*7 hash is the code you have to use on Heritage Bank. Then EcoBank. I repeat, EcoBank. The code is *326*911 hash. I repeat, *326*911 hash. That is the code to use for EcoBank to restrict your account using another line. Now to Union Bank. Union Bank code is *826*911 hash. I repeat, *826*911 hash. This is the code for you to use to restrict your account on Union Bank. Now Stanbic Bank. Stanbic Bank code is *909*911 hash. I repeat, *909*911 hash is the code for you to use on Stanbic Bank. It's been displayed on your screen, so please don't make that mistake. Now, the last but not the least is Polaris Bank. Polaris Bank code is *833*911 hash. I repeat, *833*911 hash is the code for you to use on Polaris Bank to restrict your account from being accessed by theft when your phone is being stolen using another phone. I believe these tutorials have been of use and importance to you. Please don't forget to share to friends, families to assist, because this could be very important to somebody. You might be saving somebody's life before somebody gets bankrupt. Please make sure you don't forget to subscribe to my channel and to also follow us on our Facebook page. God bless you as you do so. I see you in my next tutorial. Say cheers.